What the hell? What?
Oh no, I gotta charge extra for him. I'm sorry I can't carry you, but okay. At the transit? Chill in the garage. No, I'm not coming back. I'll meet you at the transit. Chill in my garage, wait for the bus. Once the bus comes, get on the bus. I'll meet you at the transit. Okay? Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay, perfect. Got it, no problem. Expect the unexpected. I wasn't expecting.
So
that freaked me out when she stood up. I'm like, how is it even standing up? Oh, there she is. Did you want to let her know that you can't go to the transit, or?
Yeah, where's the, like...
Let's pull over here then. Signal? We won't be able to drop him off at the transit.
I'll go to the Walmart.